Hi, this is Glenda from TechMamba.com, and we are reviewing a device that basically comes in this shape that has no name, and it looks self-explanatory. It is basically a headset for the iPhone in the shape of a phone with a cord, and let's open it up. So this is supposed to be the answer button. It's basically anti-grip. It even has the area where you can put your charger. So it fits in as such. So now we are going to go check out the back side. So we have these feet that can be used basically for laying your phone this way, for putting it sideways. And let's look for the headset jack. It's a little bit hard to get unlatched. There's even a little crack to fit your cord in. Answer button here, and let's put the iPhone back in. So it's pretty neat looking. The only thing probably that I'm not too crazy about is the cord is kind of short, so you gotta be really close to it. It is kind of neat looking if, and also at the same time, if you are tired of having your ears being heated up while you're talking and then you don't have any radiation. The other advantage of this phone is, well, it's not exactly a phone, but of this device is that you can talk at the same time and you can surf at the same time. So it is a pretty neat little device, which is self-explanatory. That's the reason there was no instructions. And for once, I've never seen something as such, and I can't really say it's a copy of something because I've never seen it. And it is pretty neat. So the next thing we're going to do is to test out the quality of the call that it makes, because or else it's pretty much useless.
This is how it sounds like. It's kind of echoey, a bit tin-canny, but let's try it with picking up the receiver. It pretty much sounds the same.
Folks, overall, this is a great buy. $27 at DealExtreme. The only inconvenience, I would say, two of the inconveniences are the cord is kind of short, and also for the person who's receiving my call, it's kind of a little bit staticky. On my end, everything is fine. As you can see, a Samsung Geo works perfectly with this apparatus also. This is Glenda at TechMamba.com. Have a nice one. If you're interested in buying this cool headset with stand for yourself, it's only $20.50 from DealExtreme. The link is in the YouTube description. To win this unique telephone landline stand with headset, simply do the following to enter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment about the review, and like the video. You must enter by May 23rd, 2012 to win. The winner will be reached via a private message in YouTube, so check your YouTube inbox. If the winner does not respond within 30 days, just too bad. Good luck to all, thanks, and have a nice one.